my dear friends, how are you doing? Yes, as I promised, we're checking the second conditional today. Yes, let's remember what a condition is. When an action happens, another happens. And if this doesn't happen, of course, this doesn't happen. But the second conditional refers to an unreal situation in the present time. Yes? So it is something that is not real, but kind of you dream that that situation could be possible. Right? So let's analyze this with one example. If I had $1 million, I would travel to space. I would travel to space. That's not real. What is the real situation? I don't have $1 million, so I cannot travel to space. But since I am making it into a conditional form, I use the simple past tense and the modal verbs could or would. Let's check the structure. I am going to use the if clause in simple past. Yes, and I use a comma. And then I can use a structure, like a subject, verb, complement, like always, but with the modals could or would, and the verb in the simple form. Yes? And if I change the idea, I don't have to use a comma. Just like in the first conditional. In the first conditional. So I can say, for example, I would travel to the space if I had $1 million. In that case, no comma needed. If you use the if clause first, comma. Alright, so let's see one example. If Sylvia accepted my invitation, I would be happy. Yeah, if Sylvia accepted my invitation, I would be happy. So what is the real situation? Friend sound detected. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so you understand the idea, right? So what is the real situation? Sylvia doesn't accept my invitation, or I am not brave enough to invite her, so I am not happy. Yes? It's like just my dream. I dream of Sylvia accepting my invitation, but that's not the real situation. Okay? So that is the second conditional, right? So I can use this. And something that you need to remember over here is that if you use I, he, she, or it, remember, in past, you say was, I was, he was, she was, it was. But if you're using the second conditional and the word if, you are going to say were. If I were you, I would pay more attention to English classes. Right? If she were my friend, I would be happy. If he were in Italy, he would speak Italian. Alright? So remember, if you use I, he, she, or it, you use were. Okay? Let's see an example. If I were a famous actor, I would play Batman. I am not a famous actor. I cannot play Batman. Alright? Very good. And something that you need to remember is you can play with affirmatives or negatives. For example, if you didn't bother me, we could be good friends. What is the real situation? You bother me, we're not good friends. Alright? So that is how you use second conditional in English. Just let's remember, if with simple past, comma, and could or would. Alright? And if you switch, you use could or would plus if and the simple past. And that is how you use the second conditional over here. So thank you very much for coming to Teacher Bob's class. Yes, I'm going to leave a link so you can practice online this second conditional in English. Be good boys, be good girls, be good people. Don't forget to wash your hands. Remember, we're still under quarantine, so we have to be careful. And, of course, don't forget to decide to be love. Hugs from Teacher Bob. See you the next time. Oops. Bye-bye.